In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Mailchimp account successfully from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your email marketing strategy, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get you started with Mailchimp, a popular email marketing platform. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. You'll immediately notice a variety of options available to you, but we're focusing on setting up a new account. Look for the Sign Up Free button, which stands out on the homepage, and click on it. This will take you to a registration page where you'll be required to fill in your email address, choose a username, and create a secure password. A good tip here is to ensure that your password is strong, including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Once you've completed this form, Mailchimp will send a confirmation email to the email address you provided. It might land in your inbox, but sometimes it can sneak into your spam or junk folders, so do check there if it doesn't show up right away. Click on the confirmation link in that email to verify your account. This will not only secure your registration, but also unlock the next stages of account setup. Now that your email is confirmed, go back to Mailchimp and log in using the credentials you just created. As you enter the platform, Mailchimp will guide you through a setup wizard. This is an essential part of the process where you'll input some basic information about your business. You'll typically need to fill in details such as your business name, website, URL, and physical mailing address. Taking your time to complete this step carefully will help Mailchimp optimize your experience and the delivery of your emails. Once the setup wizard is complete, you're ready to create your first audience list. This is a critical step as your audience is essentially your email list. Mailchimp allows you to customize your sign-up forms, which give your subscribers a personalized experience from the start. Consider fields you might want to include for segmentation, such as name and email address, perhaps even interests or demographics if that's beneficial for your marketing strategy. Finally, take some time to explore Mailchimp's campaign creation and automation features. Mailchimp offers powerful tools for creating email campaigns with a range of templates and customization options, making it easy to tailor your messages to your audience. Moreover, its automation can significantly enhance your marketing efforts, saving you time while ensuring your emails are sent at just the right moment. Now that you've set up your Mailchimp account and learned the basics, you're ready to dive deeper into the world of email marketing. Remember, practice and exploration are key to mastering this platform. Stay tuned for more detailed tutorials on leveraging all that Mailchimp has to offer.